How could I forget about this Zoom call? वक्त भी नहीं है, but I can't be looking like this. If you too are constantly racing against time on work days and are looking for a makeup plus fashion look that requires little to no effort, then here's a sneak peek at what I do to get ready in 5. Okay, my face is clean, so I'm just going to start with the moisturizer. I know it's just a video call, but hydration will actually give my skin the glow I want on camera. Next, I'm gonna apply sunscreen. Yes, you need sunscreen even indoors, guys. I will link a video on that in the description box below, so go and check that out. I use the Lakme tinted sunscreen with SPF 50. अब video call पे full coverage foundation की ज़रूरत तो होती नहीं, इसलिए I prefer something that protects my skin from the sun at the same time acts as a base. Pretty cool, right? Skincare plus base done. It's time to put on some makeup. But what? Oh wait, I have something in mind. मैं फटाफट लैक्मे 9 to 5 डेजर्ट रोज पैलेट में से ये लाइट ब्राउन कलर यूज करूंगी ऑल ओवर माय लिड्स और इसे लोअर लैशेस पर भी लगा लूंगी. अब इस लुक को थोड़ा ड्रामेटिक बनाने के लिए आई विल यूज द लैक्मे लिक्विड आईलाइनर टू क्रिएट अ फॉक्स आई लुक. मैं जानती हूँ दिस आईलाइनर स्टाइल कैन सीम अ बिट इंटिमिडेटिंग टू रिक्रिएट, बट ट्रस्ट मी, ये बहुत ही सिंपल है एंड जस्ट नीड्स अ बिट ऑफ प्रैक्टिस. आई विल फिनिश ऑफ विद सम मस्कारा. मैं यूज कर रही हूँ द लैक्मे आइकॉनिक कर्लिंग मस्कारा. Whether you've gotten your daily quota of beauty sleep or not, ये आपकी आंखों को wide open बना देगा, जो बहुत जरूरी है for those video calls where your boss goes on and on. You don't want to look sleepy, do you? Now I'm going to fill my eyebrows using the Lakme Absolute Micro Brow Perfector. I never skip this step even if I have less time in hand, क्योंकि filling the eyebrows really helps define my facial features. Now for the finishing touches of this makeup look, मैं ये Lakme का matte lip crayon यूज कर रही हूँ on my lips. Cheeks के लिए I will apply some blush. Oh no, मुझे मेरा blush palette नहीं मिल रहा है. मैं ये लिपस्टिक को ही लगा लेती हूँ on my cheeks. Perfect. Using lipstick as a cheek color has been a savior for me, especially when I have no time, when I'm traveling and don't want to carry too many products. So I'm done. कैसा लगा ये लुक? जल्दी से कमेंट सेक्शन में मुझे बता दो. मेकअप तो हो गया. Now for the styling bit, I already have something in mind. अब video calls में it hardly matters what you wear on the bottom. So I'm just going to style from the waist up. What I'm going to do is I'm going to layer it with a jacket, as that will instantly give me a formal look. You could also go for a smart work shirt if you think a jacket is too much. Then I'm going to accessorize with gold tone hoops, a dainty neck piece, and a watch. If you're not a watch person, a bracelet works well too. Opt for minimalistic accessories as they tend to work well with any kind of outfit. And in general, gold tone jewelry suits a wide range of Indian skin tones. और आखिर में बालों को ऊपर बांध लूंगी in a messy top knot to complement my overall look. Remember, whatever you wear has to be business on top, comfy on the bottom. So guys, I'm ready and I need to rush. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज डू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू बी ब्यूटीफुल फॉर मोर सच कूल वीडियोस. Okay, gotta go. My colleagues are waiting. It's gonna be a busy day. Bye.